Hey guys, I am coming to you with a really quick, fantastic Aldi Finds deal they rolled out this week. I had been shopping on Home Depot and Lowe's for lumber for garden beds. Even though I'm moving in the next year, I'm trying to garden. And Aldi has this week, officially starting tomorrow, but sometimes they roll this stuff out a day early. These raised garden beds for $20. Now, these aren't the highest quality ever, and they're not ginormous. They're roughly 4.5 feet by 3 feet, but for no more than I paid, $20. And this is the best part, no tools required. I said, you know what? It is time to whip out that $200 gift card my mom blessed me with at Christmas. And I got ready early and headed out to Aldi. They opened at 8:30 this morning. It's Tuesday, March 26th. On the chance that they might already have these out, knowing these are probably going to be incredibly popular. A, because of the price of lumber, and B, they're just a great price and easy to grab in general compared to figuring out the lumber and getting it cut and blah blah. You know what I'm talking about. Now I'm just showing you the wood here. I can't say for $20 I'm mad about it, but it is what it is. And here's a look at the quick directions, because this is really all there is to it. That's the final build. They're showing you which pieces to put together. Literally no tools, because they've cut notches in these things already. Of course, if my daughter Danny were here, who I swear should have been an engineer instead of hygienist, but so good at figuring things out, she would have had it together in 2 minutes flat. It took me about 7 because I got one board wrong. But here it is, the final built product. Again, there are no screws, no nails, nothing in here to hold these together, but they're relatively stable, I would say. I had to relocate those 2 little sweet potato plants a little further in to make this work, because I had figured a 4-foot bed, and these potatoes volunteered themselves from last year. I didn't pick where they were going to grow. I picked up 6. I think maybe the 6 will be fine. Maybe I'll have more than I need. I'm just going to put this one up for tonight because it's almost 7 o'clock, and I wanted to get this video up really quick, again, because timing is everything with Aldi Finds, especially the really hot items. And I know this is going to fly off the shelves. My Aldi had it out on Tuesday morning, even though officially it's Wednesdays in my area. I wanted to get this video up quick so you guys can go run out and get them if you want them. And I think they're going to look fantastic in my little backyard garden area. Definitely better than bare dirt with plants all higgly-jiggly poking out. They also have potting soil today, 1 cubic foot for $4.99, which is a good price compared to what I've seen at Walmart or anywhere else. And supposedly it feeds your plants for up to 9 months. Of course, I amend my soil with a little more fertilizer, etc. I think this is a great price for $4.99. I've used Aldi's potting soil before, and I have never had a problem with it. And they had a huge multi-stacks of the potting soil, so you don't need to rush on this so much if that's all you're in the market for. But if you want these garden beds, don't hesitate. Get in your car and go to Aldi. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.